Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I'm TINI, and in today's video, we're gonna be doing a hair tutorial. Today, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I've been curling my hair, what products I've been using, and what products I love to use in my hair. It has been highly requested, especially on TikTok. If you guys don't already, follow me on TikTok, go and follow me. I think we are at 41,000 followers now, which is insane because it's happened in like a span of like 2 months. So if you guys are new to my channel and here from TikTok, hi, hello, welcome. I'm super excited to have you guys here. But yeah, in today's video, we're gonna be talking all things hair care, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I've been doing my hair lately. So I hope you guys are excited and ready to jump straight in. Before this video starts, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, hit that notification bell so you guys get notified every single time that your girl uploads. Also, give this video a huge thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. But with that being said, I kind of just want to jump straight in. So if you guys are ready to see this hair tutorial, go ahead and just keep on watching. So jumping straight in, before we start on the hair tutorial, I want to show you guys all the products that I use in my hair because you guys are blowing me up asking for everything, every single product that I use in my hair. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I use. So first things first, I'm going to start off by showing you guys what I shampoo and condition my hair with. I use the TRESemme Moisture Rich Shampoo and Conditioner. This is what they both look like. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner right here. So these are from TRESemme and it just says moisture rich, 7 times more luxurious moisture. I've been using these for literally years. They are very inexpensive but very, very good. And then the next product that I use is actually a serum. So I use this every single time I get out of the shower after I wash my hair. If I don't wash my hair, I don't use this at all. But every single time that I wash my hair, when I get out of the shower, I use this. This is the OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum. It says, indulge your senses with this exclusive blend with coconut milk, coconut oil, and ultra whipped egg white proteins. I've heard that egg whites are really good for your hair. And it says, this exotic formula helps add strength, elasticity, hydration, and balance for healthy hair. Every single time I get out of the shower, I go ahead and take a couple pumps of this on my palm, rub it around a little bit, and then rub it all throughout my hair. I mainly focus it on the ends, but I feel like this guy right here has helped my hair grow a little bit. I feel like it's more healthy. I feel like it looks more shiny. I just love this stuff so, so much. And this stuff is very cheap as well. You guys can find this at Walmart. I believe you can find it at Walgreens or CVS or Target as well, any kind of drugstore. But yeah, this is very inexpensive and very, very good as well. I love this serum so, so much. So those are the products that I use to wash my hair, and then the serum that I use after the shower, after I wash my hair. So now it is time to jump into the next product, which is my hairspray. So the only hairspray that I will ever use on my hair is this Aussie Sprunch hairspray. I love this hairspray, you guys. This has been my ride or die for years. Like ever since I was a little girl, my mom has used this on my hair and I still love this stuff. Like this is the only hairspray that I will buy. If they are out of this hairspray at the store, I am like going crazy. I'm going insane. I'm like, oh my God, my whole world is ending. I love this. I can't even stress it to you guys enough. It is very inexpensive. I believe it is like $3 or $4, but every single time that I go to the store, I have to pick up multiple of these because it is that good. If I run out of this, it is like the world's ending. I can't do my hair without this stuff. It is that good. So I love this Aussie Sprunch hairspray. It is the 24-hour curl lock. It has oil and sea kelp and it is a strong hold. I swear to you guys, I have tried other hairsprays. And no other hairspray is as good as this one. I feel like this right here just holds my hair in place, smells good. It is just everything that I need in a hairspray. So I love this stuff. Oh, and one more thing before I stop rambling about this hairspray. This hairspray right here, it doesn't make my hair like white, or it doesn't make it like flaky or anything like that. I know that some hairsprays that I have tried in the past, you guys will spray it and then you try to like move your hair or something and it turns like white and flaky and all of that. This doesn't do that at all. So highly, highly, highly recommend this hairspray. Okay, enough of talking about hairspray. So the last product that I like to use in my hair is the Clear Ice Ultra Hold Protein Styling Gel. It is just clear and I just like to get a little bit on my fingertips, kind of rub it in and then just smooth it all over my hair. I feel like it just leaves my hair really shiny and it just definitely holds down all my baby hairs. If I'm really trying to get my baby hairs to lay down, I grab a toothbrush, dip it in that protein styling gel, and then just kind of lay my baby hairs down with the toothbrush. But yeah, this really works. It keeps my hairs in place, and I really don't have a lot of flyaways throughout the day when I use this, so I highly recommend this as well. All of these products that I mentioned are very inexpensive, and you guys can find them at any drugstore, I believe. I always get this at Walmart as well. So yeah, all these products you guys can pretty much find at any drugstore. So now that I showed you guys all of the products that I like to use on my hair, from shampoo, conditioner, serum, hairspray, gel, all of that good stuff, I'm going to show you guys what I use to actually curl my hair really quickly before we jump into the tutorial. So to curl my hair, I use this Conair curling iron. This is also from Walmart. Sorry, there's a little hair on it. But I also got this from Walmart. If you guys couldn't tell already, I love inexpensive products that work well. I am one of those people that firmly believe that you don't have to break the bank in order to look really good and find products that work amazing. So I also got this from Walmart. This is just a Conair curling iron. I'm not sure what size this is. I'll leave it in the description box for you guys. If you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and link this exact curling iron. But like I said, very inexpensive, very good. I just wanted to show you guys what I use. I also put this on the highest heat setting that there is. It goes up to 30. You guys can also adjust it like that. But I like to leave mine at the highest heat setting. That's just personal preference. If you guys don't want to leave it that high, by all means, don't do it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I use to curl my hair. This is what I've been using lately, and I'm in love with it, honestly. So yeah, now that I showed you guys all of the products that I use and all the tools, let's go ahead and just jump straight into the hair tutorial. As you guys can see, I went ahead and parted my hair down the middle. For the most part, I usually do a middle part. Sometimes on occasion though, I will do a side part. But for the most part, I usually do a middle part just because it's like a personal preference. I like the way that it looks on me. But whatever works for you guys, go ahead and part your hair however you guys want to part it. First of all, I like to part my hair before I start curling. So go ahead and part your hair. So I like to work on one side of my hair at a time. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the left side of my hair. It's just another personal preference. You guys can work on whichever side first. It really doesn't matter, but I'm gonna go ahead and work on my left side first. And I'm gonna go ahead and section off a piece of my hair just at the top right here. And I'm gonna save this for later, just like this, probably a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie this piece of hair up. It doesn't have to be perfect. You literally just wanna get it out of the way. Sorry, mine is like super messy. So I'm putting a little clip in it just like that. Whatever works, guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, you're literally just clipping it out of the way. So now it's time for the fun part. It is time to actually start curling our hair. So I like to work from the back of my hair forward. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my first piece back here. It doesn't have to be too big, too small, whatever you guys prefer. I just like to grab a strand of hair. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just place it right here and just start wrapping the hair around. When I want kind of like the beachy wave look, I don't use the clamp, but when I'm like in a hurry and I don't care how my hair looks and I just kind of want a little soft curl, I do use the clamp. I have another tutorial on my channel if you guys are curious how I curl my hair with a curling iron using the clamp. So I'll have that linked down below for you guys if you guys are interested in watching that. But for this, I'm not using the clamp, and I just like to leave it on there for a couple seconds and then take it out. And this is what it looks like. So I'm grabbing a bit of a bigger section and just starting to wrap this around. You guys don't have to leave it in for too long. I like to leave mine in for about 20-ish seconds. And like I said, I do put this at the highest heat setting. So yeah, and then I just take it out and it looks like that. So again, just grabbing a section. I'm just gonna wrap this hair around. And if the hair looks frizzy at all, like when you take it off of the curling iron, don't worry. We are gonna spray it with hairspray and put some gel and all of that good stuff. So don't worry too much if it looks like a little bit frizzy or if it doesn't look as shiny or sleek as you guys would like it to right away. It doesn't always look perfect as soon as you take it off the curling iron. So just keep that in mind. But like I said, I'm just leaving this for about 20-ish seconds. And I kind of like to turn my curling iron as well while I have it on there. I don't always like to keep it straight. For some curls I do, but for some I like to kind of turn it. And I feel like it helps it curl a little bit faster. And then this one's kind of a smaller section. The smaller the section of the hair that you grab, the quicker it's gonna curl. So if you grab a really thick section of hair, it's gonna take a minute to curl it. But if you grab a little itty bitty tiny section, it's not gonna take that long. So just keep that in mind as well. Like I said, kind of turning the curling iron just like that, and then letting it go. That one looks really, really good. I'm sorry if I keep on looking behind you guys. I have a really big mirror right behind the camera, so that's why I keep looking behind, just to make sure that everything is looking right, so don't mind me. So as you guys can see, I'm just like turning the curling iron very softly. The hair's not moving at all. I'm just moving the curling iron and turning it in a circle backwards. I never twist the curling iron forwards because I'm curling my hair away from my face. And as you guys can see, it's looking really, really cute. So last piece right here, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this around. And like I said, the smaller sections don't take as long to curl, so I can kind of leave it in for a couple seconds, take it out, and it's all good. So before I move on, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the section that I just curled with some hairspray. Like I said, I'm using the Aussie Sprunch hairspray. This is the 24-hour curl lock. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of pick up the curls and just spray them. You guys, I literally just sprayed Kiki. Can you guys see her? She like walked over there. She's like, really? Are you kidding? I'm trying to show you guys what it looks like. So as you guys can see, this is how it came out, the first side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down now, and we can start working on this top section. As you guys can see, it didn't take that long either to curl this side of my hair. It really doesn't take a long amount of time. And I'm still working from the back forward. So just grabbing that first piece of hair, wrapping the hair backwards away from my face, and then taking that out. It looks really, really good. And honestly, my arms do start to get tired when I'm curling my hair. You just kind of gotta like suck it up. It doesn't take too long though. Like I said, if you guys have like a full head of hair and your hair is super thick, then it might take you a little bit longer than it would take somebody with thin hair. But yeah, I have pretty thick hair. It doesn't take me too long to curl my hair. And for these front pieces, I don't like to leave them in as long as I do the other pieces of hair, just a couple seconds. I kind of like the front ones to be a little bit more loose than the other curls on my head. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the curls just so that they can stay locked in place. Okay, so as you guys can see, the curls look pretty wavy. They don't look too defined or anything like that. This is personally how I love to curl my hair. It's like my favorite way to curl my hair. I just like the really like wavy beachy look. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like this. Kind of just spray some more hairspray. I am like big on hairspray. If you guys don't like that much product in your hair, don't spray as much hairspray. Don't use as much as I do. But I personally just love hairspray. So don't mind me if I just OD with the hairspray. So now that we are all done with the left side of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and curl the right side. I am going to speed through this part though, just because you guys already saw the entire process of how I curled this entire side. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through the right side just to save some time in this video. Oh my gosh, you guys know what I just noticed is I didn't even tie the top side of this side up like I did on the other side. I don't know why I didn't do it. For some reason I just didn't. I don't know why, but there is no point in going back and doing it now because I'm like almost done with this side of my hair. So just forget it. Just forget it. Okay, so now that this side is all curled as well, I'm gonna go ahead and spray. Okay, so now that it is all curled, I'm gonna go ahead and get my comb and I'm gonna take the top part of my hair right here. I'm gonna go ahead and brush that up and then just start teasing this top part right here. Just start teasing that little top part and then let it down. And I know that it's gonna look crazy at first, but you're just gonna kind of want to brush it downwards or comb it downwards and just try to blend it as well as you can with the rest of your hair again. Again, grabbing my hairspray and just kind of spraying this down, blending it all in together. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing over on this side. Okay, so once I'm done teasing it, all I like to do is spray it with some hairspray just at the top right here. And I'm gonna grab my comb and just kind of comb down the top just because I don't want any flyaways at the top of my head. And then once it's all combed down, I like to grab the Clear Eyes styling gel I showed you guys earlier. And I just like to get a little bit at the tip of my finger and just kind of rub it in to my fingers and then place it at the top of my head and kind of just smoothing my hair down just to make sure that there's no flyaways. And if there is, they're all getting placed down. And then you guys can add some gel to the ends of your hair or wherever else you guys feel like you need it. But in my opinion, the hairspray works just fine and it makes my hair stay in place really, really well. And that pretty much completes this tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed. As you guys can see, these look like really pretty beachy waves. It looks really soft and effortless. And it looks like we didn't do too much to it, if that makes sense. I just love this hairstyle so much. It is like my favorite go-to curled hairstyle. But yeah, that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys aren't already, become part of my YouTube family. I would love to have you guys here. Turn on your post notifications so you guys never miss one of your girls' uploads. And also give this video a huge thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.